Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to unbox a new skincare box that I received a few days back, and I wanted to do an unbox with you guys. So this time I've not used it, I've not seen it. The packaging is still intact, like the overall box I've opened, but the inside packagings are still intact. So I wanted to open with you and I wanted to show you the first impressions of it. So we'll do an unboxing and see what's inside the box, and we'll see the first impressions of the products we have from the brand Nude. This is the new brand I caught my eye on and I thought I should give it a try, and let's see. I'll unbox it with you, I'll give you my feedback, and if you want to try it out, you can get the links and also get the same product. So if you're interested to know what's inside, then keep on watching and let's get quickly started. So this is the box, very cute. The color is very nudie pinkish, जो एक बहुत ही perfect सा nude pink shade है, जिस color के lipsticks we all like. So this is the box जिसमें दो cleansers I've got, and I got this in the sale of buy one get one. So I got two products in the price of one, and इसके साथ हम इसको open करेंगे. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. We have got two cleansers, and those cleansers we'll see. The packaging of the cleansers are also very unique, very alike with the brand name, like the Nude. इनके सारे product इसी color range में आपको दिख जाएंगे. So these are the two cleansers. Let me read out because I forgot what I got. So first one is the Milk Mousse Softening Face Cleansing Milk, whipped cream plus yogurt plus peptides and niacinamide. So this is for all skin types. This is kind of a cleansing milk face wash or cleanser, you can say. This is the color, this is the outer packaging. You can see very beautiful, very subtle, and this is really nice. I think this is the cleansing, okay, this is a cleansing milk, actually a kind of cleanser, but you can use it before cleanser because they have mentioned it in, like, behind the packaging that this is the first step and we should use it before cleanser. So ये product is like a cleansing milk जो आप cotton pad पे लेके अपना face cleanse कर सकते हो. And the second one we have Gelishly Clean Elasticity Boosting Jelly Face Wash Cleanser for sensitive skin. It has lactobionic acid, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5 and vitamin C. The ingredients are very promising, and it also is for all skin types. So this is the packaging. The steps are also behind the picture. So outer packaging is very knowledge friendly, you can say. If you're a beginner, you don't know any science behind the skincare, and if you don't know how to start, so this packaging is really helping you. And it also has how to use, then the step is also given behind the picture, so you can see कि इसमें आपको कौन से स्टेप पे ये प्रोडक्ट को एक्चुअली यूज़ करना है. इफ़ यू आर कन्फ्यूज्ड अबाउट हाउ टू यूज़, व्हेन टू यूज़, देन दिस इज़ प्रॉपर्ली गिवन behind the packaging. You can see the steps are clearly defined, and also these products are fragrance free. It's mentioned over the packaging. So let's open this. So this is the inside. The packaging box is really nice, and we'll see. The first one we are opening is Deliciously Clean. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. This is for face cleanser for sensitive skin. So we'll see what's inside. Very cute packaging, very cute packaging. You can see this is what we've got inside. The outer packaging box will match your bottle inside, and I'm not sure if you're getting it, but the packaging is really minimalist and very cute. So everything is on the front of the bottle, so I must appreciate that everything is written on front. It does not have any fragrance as of such, so if you have irritation around the fragrance of the product, so it's very easy and convenient packaging. You can see the opener is like this, you can switch it off like this, and very sturdy packaging. It's not a very poor quality, it's very high quality plastic or whatever material they have used. So this was the packaging. Let's open the other one also, so you can see the packaging. I'll show you and we'll open it together. So the similar packaging, just the color difference. ये थोड़ा सा peachy nude है and it's like a beige nude. So these are both of the products we have opened. Very simple packaging and to be honest, मुझे simple packaging वाले product जिसमें clarity से लिखा होता है कि what's in it and nothing fancy on it. I don't know why I love them. I don't know. इस पे कुछ fancy नहीं है. Very simplistic nudish color, जो color आजकल वैसे ही सबको पसंद आ रहा है. So उसकी simple सी bottles हैं, cute सी bottles हैं, everything written on it, just the logo and ingredients and what it will do, and that's it. So I really like the packaging and everything about the packaging is very nice. And now we'll see the textures. So firstly we are checking out the Milk Mousse Softening Face Cleansing Milk Texture. Okay, it's already about to come out. Okay, we'll close it quickly. So this is the texture of the cleansing milk. Not very runny, but it's like a cream. देखने में बिल्कुल cream लग रही है. So yeah, this is the texture, like a liquid cream. Let's see. Actually हमको इसको cotton pad पे लेके we just have to wipe our face and I'll show you on my face also. Very light texture. It has beautiful fragrance, very mild fragrance, बहुत अच्छी. I really like it. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है फ्रेग्रेंस. इसमें जो भी है, इसमें बहुत हाई इंटेंसिटी वाली फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है दैट कैन इरिटेट यू, बट वेरी सटल फ्रेग्रेंस जो अच्छी लगेगी काफ़ी, बिकॉज इट विल गेट वाइप्ड ऑफ फ्रॉम योर फेस इवेंचुअली, बट या विल इवेंचुअली क्लीन इट. तो आफ्टर मोर लाइक wiping it on your face, you will see a milky kind of liquid texture on your face and you can just wipe out with a cotton ball. Let me just quickly grab my cotton ball and wipe this off. So this is after the wipe. There is a very nourished shine on my hand, I must say, and also the fragrance is really nice. So the texture is really nice, very light to use, nothing heavy on your skin, and a subtle fragrance के साथ I can say really nice to use. At least first time use करने के लिए texture बहुत smooth है and I'm finding my hand very nourished looking also, and also it feels very soft. बहुत nourished और बहुत soft feel आ रहा है मुझे. तो I think yeah, very good product, I must say. Let's see the other one. This is for face cleanser for sensitive skin and it has a jelly texture. So let me show you. Okay. This is the texture of the cleanser and I must say it's really nice and very jelly texture. Very light. I don't know why I like light products, transparent looking textures. I am just in love with them. कोई भी शैम्पू, कोई भी क्लेंजर्स होते हैं, इवन मॉइस्चराइजर्स जो बहुत ही लाइट इन टेक्सचर्स, वेरी जेली लाइक, जेल लाइक होते हैं, आई टोटली लव देम. और वो बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट टेक्सचर के होते हैं. यू कैन सी दिस इज़ व्हाट माई हैंड लुक लाइक आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस. So I love both of the textures. Now let's quickly see how they'll work on my skin. So we are firstly checking this one, the cleansing milk. I'll take a little bit on my hand. I think this much is more than enough. And let me, actually I've not read how to use it. Let me quickly check this. It says pour the cleansing milk on a cotton pad and swipe it across your face and neck. Follow up with a toner and a moisturizer. Top up with sunscreen during the day. Also double up as the makeup remover. Use AM and PM. So for application, I'm first applying the cleansing milk on my face. Whole face, because these are kind of a step 1, step 2. So we'll see. So this is how my face looks like after the step 1, that is the cleansing milk, and you can see how my face is glowing. Very nice. So I have recently like washed my face, so there is nothing on the cotton pad, like not much dirt, you can say. But maybe if you have dirt and if you are doing it as a night routine, you must like get some dirt on your cotton pad. But I must say, my face is very brightened up and looks very nourished and very soft if I touch it. So really like the texture and how it feels on my skin. Lovely product, I must say. So I have my hair tied for the next step because it's a face wash. So what we'll do, I'll wet my face and with this plain water. And we'll take the product. This is the quantity I've taken. So it doesn't have any lather. Still also I'm feeling like it is a soapy in texture. It doesn't feel like actual gel cream. So the texture is really nice. It's very soothing and feels like it is for sensitive skin. And if you have sensitive skin, do try this out. Doesn't harm your skin, doesn't leave your skin very dry or patchy after finish. So I'll just quickly wash. So I'm done with the cleanser also. You can see my after skin. I've just washed my face with the same, and I can say it is really nice product. The first impressions were really nice. So I feel very fresh and very soothing on my skin, and the textures are lovely to use. I really like textures like this for any kind of product, not just cleansers, but really love them both. And feeling fresh. So that was all about today's video. I really enjoyed filming it with you, so you'll get an idea that how the product looks like when we first opened it and the first impressions of it. So we'll do it more often for the products I really like and I order from online. We'll see the first impressions, we'll see the packaging, and if I like the packaging, textures and applications and so on. It will be a little detailed, so I'll not rush things and in like 4-5 minutes just tell you that okay, this is nice and this is not. So it will be a little 10 to 15 minute video, so you can sit chill and relax and watch and unbox it with me. So this is the part 1 of Unbox It With Me. We'll make more versions of it in future. If you like the version pattern of it, do like it and comment down that what more products do you want me to try. And about my feedback, the final feedback is a totally thumbs up for these nude products. I really like them. The textures are lovely. You must try it out. And because it has a MRP of 499, it has MRP of 449, so I'm guessing it both costed me 500 rupees. So it was because of buy one get one. If you're getting it in sale, totally get them. They are totally worth the hype and the money, and they are nothing less than an international brand. So the packaging and the luxury textures, I totally love them. You should try them out. I'll link down the products in the description box for you, and I'll meet you in my next Unbox It With Me video soon with another products. So till then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.